Hi guys, today we are going to be cleaning the rims of my car here. It's a nice sunny day for this, and we are going to be using here rim cleaner for cleaning the rim on the car here. Yeah, so we are going to get started right now, and I'm going to do 15 minutes on one side and 15 minutes on the other side. So let's get started here. I'm going to put some on the cloth here, like that. And we're going to go across the rim here. That's the dirt that comes off the rim. I'm going to spray some on the rim. Look at all the dirt coming off of there. Yucky stuff. And it looks a lot better already. So we're gonna put some more on the cloth here. Wow, all the dirt coming off. Now that is what you want. You want every piece of scrap of dirt coming off the rim. And that looks better already. So let's put some more on the cloth here. Now we're gonna go in here. We're going to go in between here, like so. Yes, that's where most of the dirt is. We'll go around here, like so. You want to try to clean everything off so that your rim gets nice and clean here. Now you don't want to get this stuff here on your brake rotors, otherwise they're gonna probably break or something. Just keep it on the rim. And we're looking nice and clean already. Brilliant. To the outside here. Like that. You might want to get everything out of there. And we have a nice and clean rim by the looks of it. Now this is not a tutorial on how to clean rims. This is just me cleaning my rims on the car. Now you can do it however you want. You can buy your own rim cleaner. There's different ways of cleaning rims on the car. People have their own ideas on how to clean the rims. If you want your rims to look nice, you can do it this way. I'm going to put some more on the cloth here. So this rim is finished. And we're ready to go over on the other side. Yep, looks clean to me. And here we have a nice clean rim on the car. So this is going to be it for this side. I'm going to go over to the other side and I'm going to do the same thing. So we're over on the other side now. We're going to clean the rim here. So put some rim cleaner on your cloth again. Look at all that stuff coming off. That is what you want. You want everything right off of there. Look at that dirt that's coming off. Almost time to get a new cloth here. On the outside here, like that. I'm going to get a new cloth here. This one is dirty. So we got a new clot here. I'm gonna go again. Look at all that dirt coming out. All the dirt coming off. That is what you want. Just like that. Go in here, maybe. Ah. Alright, we're gonna spray some more on. And they're looking nice and clean soon. I'm gonna put some more on. Now you can get spray for the rims so that they won't get dirty, which means you spray that stuff on there, you let it dry, and all the dirt that's going to get on the rim here, it's gonna fall onto the dry spray, and it's going to roll off the spray. That way your rim is going to be protected from dirt. Alright, we're almost good to go. And the rim looks a lot better already. Took us 8 minutes to do one side, and 8 minutes to do this side. And when there's no more dirt coming off the rim and your clot is clean, that means your rim is clean as well. So just gonna do up here, and that dirt came off. It's like wearing new shoes. If you buy new shoes, you wear them, you want them to be clean and stay clean for a couple of years. It's like getting new rims or cleaning your rims on your car. You want to wear new shoes, your car wants to have new rims. And you want to stay clean as well, pretty much. So I'll end the video here then. Just going to go over the rim here one more time. And we have a clean rim here. I'm going to go in here as well. And it's getting to my back. I'm just going to do it in the lug nut area here. Clean it out a little bit. Looks better already. Now you can get this stuff in your local shop, or you can get it in the car shop, where you can buy parts for your car, or you can buy anything at all for your car that you need. So we are clean. We have a clean rim here by the looks of it. Nice and easy. Let's do a close up here. And we're looking good. So thanks for watching. I hope you have liked this video. And we are out here on a nice sunny day, cleaning the rims here. And we are finished. Bye bye, and thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you like. Bye bye.